Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be closing out my August budget number 1 and setting up my August budget number 2. So if that interests you, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started. So August paycheck number 1. So our pay for paycheck number 1 was $3,312.90, and I did pull $123.98 from my business account for a total of $3,436.88. So let's go quickly. The unbudgeted, we did buy like a little small kitchen little utensil thing. It like helps you cut up vegetables and stuff really quick. I don't know, my husband wanted it, so I was like, fine, whatever you want. So we pulled that from our sinking funds, so I don't have any money that came out of this paycheck for unbudgeted expenses. So let me pull this out. So let's go ahead and add up our expenses. I am still waiting on some expenses to come out of my main bill paying account and my business account, but the money's there and it's like going to stay in the account until the bill comes out, so I'm not worried about that. I'm just going to count it so we can wrap up this first paycheck. So that total is $3,434.21. So I do need to change this really quick because we did have some money. We are going to have some money left over once our natural gas bill comes out. So let me just quickly do that. 267 is what's going to be left over. Okay. But everything else was right on budget, so I'm going to bring down that 267. And then I do need to bring over these numbers for income so I can see what we were able to save for this paycheck. Okay, so $2.67 is what we were able to save from this paycheck. Okay, so that money is going to be transferred to our sinking funds to be allocated at the end of August. So with that done, we're going to move on to paycheck number 2. Okay, so for business, paycheck number 2, $15. So we'll go ahead and add that up. That's $2,668.02. Make sure my math is right. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this page out so I can reference my monthly budget, and I'm not flipping back and forth. I do need something to write on. So, okay, childcare. Let's see, childcare is $560, and this budget goes from August 16th through August 31st. So water and trash is $120, electric is $15, life insurance for my husband is $69.96, MetLife is $334, Verizon is $123, ID theft is $12.90. And then moving on to the cash envelopes, Cash envelopes, gas is $150. Groceries is $75. Costco is $175. Diapers and wipes is $40. And for our groceries, we actually have been doing pretty good with this new way that I've been basically like meal planning. I'm going to do a video on it soon because it has been working for us while we're still trying to get our actual budget under control. It has helped us to not eat out. Like I probably ate out on Friday just because I packed the whole entire lunch, but I didn't put my lunch in there. I'm like, how did I walk out the door with nothing but snacks, but I forgot my lunch? I don't know. I was in a rush. But other than that, yeah, me and my husband was saying the other day, like we couldn't remember the last time that we ate out. And I've been doing the new like meal planning, like my new way of meal planning since July, and it's actually been working. So I will share that process with you guys soon. So car repair and maintenance, 25. House supplies is 25. Clothing is 20. Fun/holidays is 10. We're going to put $873.16 in the twins sinking fund, and then we are going to put 25 in toiletries, and the only business expense I have for this period is epidemic sound, which is $15. So let's go ahead and add that up. All right, so that total is 2,668.02, which matches the income for this paycheck. And if I didn't mention it, we are 1 month ahead, so the income that we're using for this paycheck or this expense tracker is from July 30th and August 6th. So since the income and the expenses matched, I have a zero-based budget, and that was my goal. So that's pretty much all that we need to do for this budget setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.